Not to mention that human beings, when they have memory problems when they get older, such as Alzheimer's or other degenerative brain diseases, it's hard for them to remember things in the present, but they still remember a lot of details from the past. While with computers, the only thing that is capable of making them lose their memories is if the servers are corrupted or if the software gets contaminated by a computer virus. In a way, it is possible for us to make copies with memories, especially with computers. You could just download it onto another drive. And you can make another copy and move it to another drive. And with human emotions or human memories, it's easier to transport data from one book or video to another, so you can share. Another important difference between programs and memories involves emotional depth. Afterward, because sometimes there are times, not very often, when one faces a moment in memories afflict the person from something tragic in their past or like a past memory that they don't want to remember. And sometimes it hurts that person, but with programming, it doesn't hurt anyone or anything because it doesn't really affect programming. Not to mention, one of the big differences between memories and programming is that programming is made up of ones and zeros. Every video, every audiobook, and every digital note that's ever been written is all just a bunch of ones and zeros put together on a computer program. Human memories are made up of proteins that gather energy in order to allow them to pass through one cell to the next. In our brainstem, if these cells are corrupted by anything that is trying to block their path, like sugar, or if someone has been drinking a lot of alcohol that temporarily blocks it unless they've been doing it for a long time. In which case, many cases like that have happened, whether some memory that some person has had was so horrific that they wanted to forget and move on with the rest of their lives, but couldn't because they just couldn't deal with that same emotion that's been hurting them for so long.